Hello everyone. In this section, we will cover what do you mean by firewall and what are the different types of firewall in detail. So in the given diagram, there is local area network, that is LAN, and these three systems, that is system A, system B and system C, is connected with the help of local area network. And all these devices are taking the data from the internet source. So whenever the traffic is going from the internet to our local area network, that time multiple packets are sent and that may be forwarded to the particular destination. If the packet is genuine, if it is valid, then this packet will be forwarded to the correct destination. And if packet consists of some malicious atom, then firewall can drop that particular atom. So firewall is the system which is used for checking the packet is valid or not. If it is valid, then your packet will be forwarded to correct destination. Otherwise, these packets will be dropped. So firewall is a network security device which is used for monitoring incoming and outgoing network traffic and decide whether they have to allow or block a specific traffic based on the set of predefined security rules. If the packet consists of some malicious atoms, that times these packets may be dropped. But if the packets are genuine, then this packet will be forwarded to the correct destination with the help of this firewall. So there are different types of firewalls are available. First one is packet filter firewall, then circuit level firewall, application level firewall, and stateful multi-layer firewall. We will see each and every type in the next lecture.